We are done with meeting with the process. We want a meeting with the resolution. We have asked that the ministers that are responsible for each and every demand that we have put in our memorandum must accompany him in that meeting. If it's a matter of gender-based violence, we expect that the Minister of Police and the Minister of Justice to be in the meeting. If it's the issue of retrenchment of workers at SABC and SAA and ESCOM, we expect the respective minister, including the most powerful minister in this country, Pravin Gordhan and Tito Mboweni.
SACP e re ha ho amohelehe hore ebe mmuso o iphapanyetsa ho arabela ditsekong tsa bona. Diprofesing tse robong ke ya Kapa Bophirima fela e ba arabetseng.
Workers' compromises, accept lower increases. Those lower increases are then reneged upon by government. This is unacceptable. I must say, I'm speaking on behalf of the SACP, an ally of the African National Congress and Cosatu and Sanko, that is leading government through the African National Congress. This matter was never brought to us in terms of reneging. We said, go and honor the agreement you have made with workers.
Ka bobedi Cosatu le SACP di hanne ho kopana le letona la mesebetsi Thula Senqesi ka hore nakong e fetileng o hlolehile ho mamela dillo tsa bona.